Nandito tayo ngayon sa aming clubhouse, swimming pool, outdoor swimming pool. They have indoor swimming pool also here, but they close at 5 o'clock. So we have to use the side gate, and we have the code to be able to use the outdoor pool. So just me and my husband. There's another couple that they just left. So yeah. You'll be able to use this outdoor pool up to 10 p.m. So, at dyan kami lalabas sa door na yan. At sa door na lang. Okay, so this is the lap. So this is the resistance pool here. That's the one that it's swirling whirlpool, and that is very good for your muscle, you know. It's pretty cool. And we have a good size pool, swimming pool here. So we are we use this pool here. So it's so parang beach lang siya. And then papakita ko sa inyo, actually ito yung entrance, pero sarado na kami. Sarado na sila. So, that's why nandito tayo sa labas. And then, they have a big spa here. Big spa that have hot water, you know. It has a huge capacity of up to 14 people ang pwedeng maggamit ng spa at a time. So malaki siya. So yan. It's 6:30 in the evening here now. Kaya wala na talagang tao since today is the Mother's Day, so a lot of people are out and about now. So it's very nice for me to take advantage of showing you this swimming pool that we have here. I like the umbrella here and the canopy that they put over there at the resistance pool. So it's so nice over here, you guys, if you live in this community. And yeah, so tingnan nyo yan, that's the golf course, overlooking the golf course. So dito ko dinala si CCMD, dyan kami. But when CCMD 168, shout out pala sa'yo, CCMD 168, shout out to you. So dyan tayo sa labas. Dati dinala kita dyan kasi we won't be able to come inside here kasi during that time na binisita mo ko, the swimming pool is still in the process of repairing, kaya close sila. At saka yung indoor walking track din ay nire-repair nila pag mga winter months, especially the pool area. Kaya there's a lot of winter residents na hindi happy nung December, January, kasi ito ay nire-repair pa. So ang tagal-tagal talaga ito natapos na i-repair kasi ang daming nagka-problema sa mga leak. But there you go, you guys, this is our outdoor pool. Yan, we can do picnics here and my husband is there. Hello. Yan. So, yeah, this is it, pansit. Ayan. Tapos may mga picnic table. Sometimes we have may mga live band dito, mga music concerts, mga food trucks na ginagawa nila rito. They have some wine tasting or something like that. Basta mga happy hour. And then over here you can you can do some, you know, mga nagpapaitim. Dito a lot of paitim, but ako hindi na kailangan magpaitim. So nandito na tayo talaga sa labas, hindi tayo makapasok sa loob kasi yun nga, at sarado na ang club. So meron din kami ditong Ilislan ba comfort room outside. And meron ding may din dyan, may Ilislan, may alam nyo na yung shower ba. And then you can just come here and relax, you know. This is a big pool, kaya a lot of people really like to come and puno ito pag during the day, puno ito. Hindi naman puno, I mean maraming tao, especially yung mga retired people, you know, they come here. Alright, so yeah, that's it. That's our tour sa ating indoor, sa ating outdoor pool. Alright, thank you so much guys sa panonood dyan, and mega love shout out sa lahat dyan. Shout out to all my supporters and to all my team, the amazing Pia Melo team, sa lahat ng mga team support dyan, Team Magaganda, Team Creator, CC Pinay Campers, CC Philippine Islands Adventure Melo USA, CC Angking PMD 160, CCMB TV, sa lahat pa dyan. Sino pa? Langga, Merly Otap, ang aking kauna-unahang naging friends sa YouTube world. And so shout out sa inyo, Miss Kayak, shout out Miss Kayak if you're there. Shout out to everyone, team support ni Chris Live USA, ayan, Marilyn Detachi, Michi Manalo, Marisalas, ayan, Lisa Jane Caballero, ayan, diba? Salamat sa inyong lahat guys sa pag-support sa aking munting channel. Alright, yan, nakalabas na tayo guys. Ayan, there you go. Ayan, pauwi na tayo sa bahay. Look at the surrounding here, and the sunset is amazing here. Sunset! Amazing! Amazing sunset! Ganda ng sunset, oh. We have a beautiful sunset here in Arizona, guys. Yung kanta ni Lady Gaga na Arizona Sky. Basta yun yung oh wow, look at that. People are cool. It's nice to play right now because it's cooler. Yeah, we're gonna play pickleball one of these days, but not right now. So yeah, so there you go guys. This is our neighborhood. Oh, halos walang tao dito, pero during the day daming car dito nakaparada kasi nag-exercise talaga mga tao dito, hindi katulad sa Pinas na ewan ko, basta iba talaga dito guys. Mga tao ay gusto talaga nilang mag-exercise. Yan, so there you go. So we drive around over there. Drive over there. Alright, let's go. There you go.
Drive in front?
Yeah. Ayan. So, this is our main entrance. Ayan. Malaki itong clubhouse. Ayan. Beautiful. Ayan. Punta kami sa ano. We're going to the restaurant and get the order online. Kasi hindi na kami naman. Oh my God, it's so beautiful the sunset there, you guys. Oh, sunset in Arizona, guys, is amazing. Ganda talaga ng sunset. It's gonna be amazing tonight. I'm hoping for the northern lights. So, yan. Yan. Pasensya na at medyo shaky ang ating kuha dahil tayo ay nasa road. Alright. Alright. Happy Mother's Day. Ayan. Pauwi na tayo. We ordered pizza outside. So my husband is treating me for a pizza dinner. So for the Happy Mother's Day. Thank you, husband.
Thou art welcome.
Alright, papakita ko sa inyo ang ating pizza flavor na in-order ay Meat Lovers. Alright. Buksan na natin itong pizza bago natin lapangin. Meat Lovers! Yay! Yum! Arat na! Yummy!